Hello everyone, Shabik here from Techque Reviews, and today we have come up with a smartwatch review, guys. Yes, so today we have come up with the Amazefit GTS 4 mini review. So this is the watch that we have got. So this watch was launched 6 days back, and we ordered this watch from the Amazfit website, and we ordered the watch on Saturday and we got the watch on Monday, that is 18th of July. So let me just show you the boxing. I'm sorry guys, I had to rip it off and I couldn't show you the unboxing because I had to test this device and then come up with a review. So this is the box. This is how it came. This is the outer box and the packaging was very good and very tight. It was very intact. So now when you just open it, you get another box. This is the box that you get, and now when you open it, so on the first, let me show you what are there in the left side and the right side. The left is just the branding and nothing else. On the right side, you just see the USP or the features the watch has, and on the bottom you can have the barcode, etc. And keeping this aside, this is the box, and over here in this part the watch came along with the straps attached. So you will remove this watch from here, and then if you open it from here you will find the user manual, and this is the magnetic charger. This is the pogo pin magnetic charger, and you can slap it on easily. This is how it gets attached, like this. So now let's just keep the things aside and jump to our main hero, the Amazfit GTS 4 mini. So guys, this is the watch, and we ordered it, as we mentioned it earlier, we ordered this unit from Amazfit's website, and during the launch there was a launch special offer. Price was around 7,000, and we got this watch. We had some discounts. The effective price was 6,500. This was a launch offer, guys, and right now this watch is available on Amazon, and today at the time of making this video, the price on Amazon of this watch is 6,999. So this is about the price of the watch, and now let's just first look into the look and feel of the watch. So this is how the watch looks, guys. Have a look. This is the display, and this is how the back part looks like. So first things first, the look and feel of the watch. Guys, I can guarantee you that in this price segment, no other smartwatch maker will offer you this premium looking display, and overall the look and feel as well. Premium look and feel in this price range. Amazfit GTS 4 mini provides you that, and the display is a 1.65 AMOLED display, and surprisingly it's very light. It weighs only 31 grams and it looks amazing. So now, just keeping the looks aside, let's jump into the features. So this is the watch, guys. This is the AOD screen. Now let's show you the interface of the watch. This is the watch face, and to wake this watch you have to press the crown over here. Now what we'll do is we'll show the interface of the watch. If you swipe, it will show you the stand, how much steps, stand, and how much did you walk, and all the statistics. And this will show you the heart rate. I guess it has started reading the heart rate. No. So it will show you the heart rate, and if you swipe, it will show you the weather details. This looks good, guys, isn't it? And this will show you your pi, and this will show you your sleep data. I haven't tested the sleep data because this watch kind of feels uncomfortable while sleeping if you wear it. And these are the further cards that you can add to your screen. If you press this, you will go to your basically home screen or the watch face. So as you can see, it has the Alexa feature, and now we'll test it out. So I have a smart bulb which is linked with my Alexa, so I'll just test it out and show it to you guys. Turn off the bulb. As you can see guys, the bulb got turned off. Turn on the bulb. The bulb got turned on, and turn the color of the bulb to red. The light color just got changed to red. And let's try green. Turn the color of the bulb to green. The light turned gone green. So as you can see guys, Alexa works perfectly, and the color of the bulb got changed. So the Alexa integration works very well. And if you just press the crown, a menu opens up. Over here it will show your pi, heart rate, blood oxygen. And in heart rate, let me just show you, like if I keep it like this on the table, whether it reads the, as you can see, wear the device properly for measurement. It gave a prompt, but anyhow we'll try and test it. See, we got the prompt. And now I'll wear this watch and show it to you guys. So we'll start with the testing. So this is the result guys. I'll just open the watch again and show it to you. And the straps are very smooth and super soft, and it won't cause irritation on your skin. So let's just press the crown button and again jump back to the main menu. So this shows you your pi, your heart rate, blood oxygen, but don't depend on the blood oxygen of this. If you have the professional SpO2 meter in your house, use that for testing your SpO2. Then one tap measuring. Then you have workout modes. It has more than 120 workout modes. And guys, this also has GPS. 5 satellite pointing GPS is there in this. If you go to watch face, you swipe, there are many watch faces built in the app. From here you can select only 3 watch faces. Guys, this video might be a bit long as we are trying to show the watch as well as we'll be showing the app interface as well. So I'll make a call, as you can see. So in the call, you can't receive call from here. Either you can disconnect the call, or you can if you press on this X button, the vibration and the notification part will stop regarding the call. And if you just swipe up, the call will just disconnect and an SMS will be sent. So this is how it looks. In the notification part, you can view the messages. So this is the Zep app. So this is the app it looks like. So on the top left you can see a watch icon, that's your watch, and the battery percentage, that's 34%. So over here it shows you the steps like this. If you tap on this, this is how a graph is shown, and this looks pretty, the app looks pretty clean. The UI of the app is very nice and interactive. I found it very interactive. And if you tap over here, you can see the exercise data part, the status data part, health signs, body measurements. You can add the data manually and accordingly it will start tracking. If you tap on the health part, all the walking, running, cycling and all whatever exercise you do, the records will be shown here accordingly. And if you tap on profile, this is how it looks. Let's just go to this, and as you can see guys, we charged the watch the day it came, that is on 18th July, Monday. We charged it, and still today is Sunday, 24th July, and 34% battery is left. So the battery backup on this is amazing. And anyhow, as you can see, the always on display is always on this. The AOD is on this, turned on. So let's just go back to the app, and if you go to health monitoring, there are a couple of settings that you can turn on and turn off. And then notifications and reminders, you can set from what apps you want the alert. There are specific toggles for specific apps. And if you go to watch faces, as you can see, there are a ton of watch faces in this. Over here you can see Amazon Alexa. So from here you have to tap on it and you have to log in basically. So yes, and you can add your to-do list over from the app itself, and when you check the to-do list in your watch, you can access it from there. You can't enter the data from the watch, you have to enter it from the app for the to-do list. So this is about the app part. So if you are looking for a watch under 8,000 or under 7,000, this watch is an absolutely perfect watch. It will look good, it will feel good in premium, and it has ton of features, and this won't disappoint you. So that's it guys, this is our review. And if you found the review helpful, then do smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, do also press the subscribe button, and make sure you subscribe the channel, because we'll be sharing the updates if there are new things that come up to the Amazefit GTS 4 Mini. That's it guys, thank you so much. Till then, stay safe.